got here is a pretend step, and I've just covered it in grey vinyl. Grey at the moment is incredibly popular. What we're discovering is in all residential developments, most of the time grey ceramic tiles are being installed on staircases. And I've got a little helper here today, and his name is Marshall. Marshall, I was wondering if you could please put on the first stair nosing. Terrific, thank you. Now this particular stair nosing has a 10mm face, as you can see. And the insert colour is what we call pewter grey. Now, I believe that this particular stair nosing doesn't actually offer you more than 30% contrast. If you squint at that particular stair nosing, you would find that it would blend into the background of the step, which in this case is grey. Marshall, could you please give me the next stair nosing? The next stair nosing is actually the same. Now this one is an anti-slip carborundum. Again, you have the 10mm face, which we will discuss later. But once again, if you squinted at this particular step and imagine that you were actually visually impaired, you would not be able to tell the difference between what we call the riser of the step and what we call the tread of the step. Because basically it all would appear as if it's the same colour, and somebody would not be able to recognise where to put their foot.